All right, a couple examples here on complementary and supplementary word problems. Number one, two angles are complementary and one angle has a measure that is 275 less than 4 times the other angle. All right, so we have a problem that we want to set up the first angle equal to x and the second angle equal to 275 less than 4 times the other angle. 4 times the other angle is 4 times x, and 275 less than. Now be careful not to sort of mix these up. This would be the incorrect way to express 275 less than 4 times the other angle. Right, you're mixing them up. So we want to avoid that at all costs. Okay, so they're complementary. That's kind of important. Complementary, of course, means that the two angles add up to 90. So we're going to take them, set them into an equation. Angle 1 plus angle 2 equals 90. Combine. Add. And divide. So this is, let's see, let's take it over here, 365. Let's see, I've got 7, right? 7 times 5 is 35. 73. Okay, so that's x. So that's the first angle. So we're going to put a nice little answer box here. The measure of angle 1 equals 73 degrees, and the measure of angle 2 is its complement, so it should be 17. And let's check that to make sure. So we're going to check in here. 4 times 73 minus 275. 4 times 73 is 292, I think. Let's see, 280 plus another 12, yep. Minus 275. So that comes out to be, we'll go 8 here, we'll go 7, we'll go 17. Yep, that works. Alright, so our answers make sense. These are our solutions. Number 2. An angle is 5 times its supplement. Alright, so the angle we'll set equal to x. When we see this word is, right, that word is in mathematics can be replaced with an equal sign. So an angle is 5 times its supplement. So 5 times something, right? That's the word supplement. We can always replace this with the expression 180 minus x. Alright, and the reason we can do that, because if we kind of go over here and do some side work, right? If I ask you for an angle, let's say 10 degrees, and then I ask you for the supplement of that angle, it would be, in your head, you would do 180 minus 10, or 170, right? If I gave you an angle of 25 degrees, and then I asked you for its supplement, you would go 180 minus 25, or 155. So generally speaking, this is a very general way of sort of talking about what supplement means right there. Alright, it's 180 minus the number. Right, so we're going to replace the word supplement with 180 minus x. Alright, and then we just solve it. So an angle is equal to 900 minus 5x. 6x equals 900. And x is equal to, let's see, we'll take this over. That's 1, so that's 30. 150 looks like a winner to me. Alright, so that's the measure of the angle. 150 degrees. The measure of the angle's supplement is what we also need to find. The supplement equals 30 degrees. And that is your solution box. So put a nice little box around it. You always want to make it very clear to the reader what your answers are. Alright, next one. An angle is 74 degrees more than its complement. Alright, so an angle is 74 degrees more than its complement. Just like we had 180 minus x for the word supplement, we can use that same idea for complement, right? It's simple replacement. Wherever you see the word complement in these problems, replace it with 90 minus x. And now we're ready to solve. Get rid of those parentheses, we don't need them. That's 164. We're going to move the x over. So x is equal to 82. So the measure of the angle, this is an angle symbol, is equal to 82 degrees. The complement of that angle is 8, 90 minus 82. And there's your solution. Really simple. Alright, number 4. We have the complement of an angle is 10 less than 3 times the angle. So again, we're going to simply do a replacement. Wherever we see that word complement, we're going to replace that with the expression 90 minus x is an equal sign. 10 less than 3 times the angle. 10 less than 3 times the angle. X in this case is our angle. So we're ready to solve, right? We're going to move the negative x over, so we get 90 is equal to 4x. Take away 10. Add 10 to both sides. X is 25. Alright, so our answer here, the measure of the angle is equal to 25 degrees. The complement of 25 is 65 degrees because those add up to 90. So we're hopefully getting practice here on replacing these words, replacing complement with 90 minus x and replacing supplement up here with 180 minus x right in here. Alright, those are simple replacements. Last one. 9 times the complement of an angle is, there's our equal sign, 30 more than twice its supplement. Alright, so we've got some replacements to do here. We've got a replacement where we see the word complement. We're going to replace that with 90 minus x. And over here we have a replacement supplement. We're going to replace that with 180 minus x. So those are simple replacements right there. Alright, so let's finish it. We've got 9 times the complement of the angle. So 9 times quantity 90 minus x is 30 more than, that means plus 30 more than twice the supplement. So this of course is our supplement. Make sure it's in parentheses and we're good to go. So a little algebra here. We've got, let's see, 9 times 9 is 81, so that's 810 minus 9x equals 30 plus 360 minus 2x. I'll take it over here. Combine these two numbers together. 810 minus 9x equals 390 minus 2x. Move the smaller of the two coefficients over, so we're going to add 9 to both sides, so I get 810 equals 390 plus 7x. Alright, we're going to subtract 390 from both sides. When we do that, we get, I think, 420 equals 7x. And then we're going to divide by 7. When we divide by 7, we get 60, I believe. Alright, so the question again was asking for find the angle. Well, the angle, the measure of the angle is exactly what we just found, 60 degrees. And we're finished. That's all it's asking for, so we're done. If it's asking for supplement and complement, then of course we can find those as well. Supplement of that angle is 120. Complement of that angle is 30. Alright, so there's 4 examples there, kind of different styles, right? This one is a little bit different. Number 1 is a little bit different than the others. The others are requiring you to make substitutions wherever we see words like complement and supplement. So hopefully that helped.